Another feature of Xero is the ability to upload CSV documents straight into Xero. Now I'm going to show you a little demonstration of how to do this. So, if you want to import a bank statement CSV, you go to Dashboard, Business Bank Account, or whichever bank account you would like to import. Manage Account, Import a Statement. Now over here to your right in the little yellowy orange box, you have a download our CSV template link. You click this, you can open it with Excel or whatever other spreadsheet software that you use. You click here, you open it up. Now this will bring across this file. Now, as you can see here, you have your date, your amount, your payee, description, reference, and check number. If there's an asterisk next to a detail, it means that it is totally required for Xero and you will not be able to upload the CSV without it. So the only things that are necessary are date and amount, but of course it's recommended that you add a payee and a description for future reference so you can find and allocate a lot easier. So I'm going to show you one that I have prepared earlier. So once you have actually gone through the process of extracting data from your bank statement and putting it in the correct columns, you can save it as a CSV file, save as, browse, and then we are going to save it as a CSV, which is down here. Okay. Here's one I prepared earlier. So as you can see here, there are a whole load of cash coding items such as parking, diesel, etc. Now I am going to, on the import bank transaction screen that we were in when we downloaded our templates for the CSV, we are going to click on Browse. We are going to find the location that we saved our CSV. And then we are going to click on Import. Now this gives you options to allocate. You have date, amount, payee, description, reference, and you can allocate these to specific columns within your CSV document. So this all looks good. For example, Tesco PFS is the payee and the transaction amount is £65. I know that this to be correct, so I am going to click on Save. 51 statement lines were imported, 0 were duplicates. So Xero can tell you whether or not any of your lines were duplicates, which is brilliant because if they are duplicates, it may be that you've made an error or that your bank statement had an error upon downloading it from your online banking. Now we're going to click OK. And then we are going to go to, now back to the business bank account screen. You can see here all of the various CSV transactions that I have just uploaded. CC, Central, CC, Tesco PFS. Now, if you were to manually type all of these in as an invoice, it would take you probably about 40 times as long. So this is a very good time-saving feature. Say if you have been keeping your income and expenses on a spreadsheet for some time, all you have to do is create a CSV template from these and then import them in. So it's a case of just taking the columns from your spreadsheet and rejigging them into a CSV template from Xero and then saving it as a CSV, importing it in, and then you're good to go.